Hola, mi nombre es Daniela Cepeda Martínez de Promoción de Paz, su maestra de inglés, y el día de hoy vamos a continuar con nuestra cuarta clase. Today we're going to have a brief class and it's going to be about connectors. What are connectors? Well, connectors are auxiliaries that help to connect or contrast two ideas. They are words used to join sentences. For example, we have different types of connectors. We have a sequencing connectors, cause and effect, comparing, adding, contrasting, emphasizing, qualifying, illustrating. De secuencia, de causa y efecto, de comparación, de adición, de contraste, de énfasis, de cualificación y de ilustración. For sequencing, we have first of all, secondly, next, then finally, and cause and effect, because, so, therefore, consequently, for this reason, etc. And for example, the sequencing connectors are often used to start a sentence and or to have like a sequence of events. And for comparing, well, this could be at the middle of a sentence, comparing two things, two places, or anything, and so on. For example, also emphasizing connectors are used to kind of para reforzar una oración, okay? So let's see a quick example. It's going to be very easy. You will probably already use some connectors to talk in English or write in English, but it is good to practice and to try and write a paragraph of your day using as many connectors as possible. For example, firstly, sequence connector. I woke up at 6 a.m. and went down to eat some breakfast. Then I did some exercise for an hour and I also showered. At 9 a.m. my classes started. Therefore, I was on Zoom for 4 hours. While I was studying, I took a break to pet my dog. Additionally, in the afternoon, I took my dog for a walk in the park. Now I'm going to translate this to Spanish. Primero, me desperté a las 6 de la mañana y bajé a comer mi desayuno. Luego, hice un poco de ejercicio por 1 hora y también me bañé. A las 9 de la mañana mis clases comenzaron, entonces yo estuve en Zoom por 4 horas. Mientras estaba estudiando, tomé un pequeño break y acaricié a mi perro. Adicionalmente, en la tarde, llevé a mi perrito a un paseo por el parque. So there you have it. You have a brief example of how to use connectors. And I want to go back a little bit to the connectors I showed you. I would suggest that you try to read them all, understand them all and how to use them. And a simple way to understand how connectors are used, you can grab a magazine, you can grab a book in English, of course. And when you're reading, try to identify what connectors are used. And depending on the context, you're going to easily identify which type of connector they're using. Either emphasizing, contrasting, illustrating, etc. And well, that's all for today's class. I know it was brief, but I hope that everything was very clear. And if not, you can ask any question that you want. Pueden hacerme cualquier pregunta y yo trataré de contestarla en la brevedad para seguir mejorando y que ustedes puedan comprender aún más los temas. Muchas gracias por su atención y nos vemos muy pronto.